Students, welcome back to online class of moral science for class 3rd, and today our topic is My Neighbors part 2. So students, as in our last class we learned that how Sinduri pigeon was helped by her neighbors, and who were the neighbors? Crows. Okay, so they helped her in time of her need when she was starving out of hunger. So now we can say that if we are having good neighbors, they will always help us when we will need them. So, are we having any duty towards our neighbors? Yes, we are having some duties towards our neighbors. And what are they? First is we should invite and welcome our neighbors to our homes. And second is if they are having any celebration and they are inviting us, so what we have to do, we have to join them and share their joys. And the third is, this is a very important point, that we should always help them in times of their need. So these are some duties which we should perform towards our neighbors. And one more thing, students, we should never divide our neighbors in a rich and poor category. While helping them, we should not keep this thing in our mind that who is rich and who is poor. Remember, student, service to the needy and poor is service to God. If we want to worship God, we can do better by serving the poor and the needy. The real service to man is the service to God. As we know that God is present in every living thing around us. So, we must treat every living being with equal respect and always try to help poor and needy. Please remember the beautiful words said by Saint Chavra, that let there be no day in your life in which you did not do good to others. Means every day you should do at least one work by which you can help others. So I hope now you might have understood the whole chapter. So it's time for doing exercise. So first we will do activity 1. So what you have to do in this activity is, people who live around our house are our neighbors. So in this activity you have to tell the names of your neighbors and also what do they do. So like I am just going to mention the name of the people who live around my house, or they are my neighbors. So first is Mr. Vikas Gupta. He is a businessman by occupation or by profession. Second, I am going to write Miss Seema Tyagi. She is a teacher. And third is Mr. Naresh Arora. He is a doctor. So students, in this activity you have to write the names of those people who live near or around your house or who are your neighbors. Okay. Students, now activity number 2 is you have to write down the details of 2 families in your neighborhood with the help of your daddy or mummy. You have to take help of your parents, and with their help you have to write down the details of the families which are living in your neighborhood. Students, in this slide I am sharing the details of my neighborhood. Okay, but in your notebook you will share the details of your neighborhood. Okay, so in my neighborhood, first family is Gupta family, Their father's name is Mr. Vikas Gupta, mother's name is Mrs. Reema Gupta, and they are having two children, Arav Gupta and Pari Gupta. Second family is, their father's name is Mr. Roshan Tyagi and mother's name is Mrs. Seema Tyagi, and they are having one child, Bhavya Tyagi. Next is, answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, why could Sinduri not go in search of food? Its answer is, Sinduri could not go in search of food because the water level in the river had risen up due to heavy rain. Question number 2, who gave food to Sinduri first? Its answer is, Chinu gave food to Sinduri first. Number 3, what did Chiru say to the crows in the second meeting? Chiru told them to give food to those who are hungry at least once a day instead of wasting time. And the last question is, write the name of the story told by Jesus for the question, who is my neighbor? So the answer is, the name of the story told by Jesus is the Good Samaritan. So students, I hope you might have understood all the exercises well. So you have to learn and write all exercises in your notebook. This will be your homework. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.